Wahala be like bicycle oh. One unknown video vixen don't come as I go cause wahala for herself. It be like say this lady go pick boat ride until now pay she no get money. Hey, and I see all these slay queens and their way of acting. But as it be like say na person order this ride for this lady. As she can't reach her destination now, the rider so cute. I beg bring the money to pay as we don't reach where she dey go. Now there this lady begin call this boyfriend we won't pay. They call brother no gree pick. I don't know where this brother go style. I been just want to show this girl a lesson, but before we see, auntie no get the money to pay. And what dey surprise myself na the amount. Ordinary 2,100 naira. Now be this ride money. This lady talk say she no get. My people beg make na follow me watch this disgrace.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Please don't make a video of me. Because if you make a video, you're just people knows me inside. I'm a video vixen.
And no, it's just better for everybody to know what's happening. It's better for everybody to know what's happening because when they say both drivers are rude, right? So I want the whole world to know what's going on, madam. Let me have my money. That is what I'm saying. I'm not dragging anything with you. Let me have my money.
You know something is on his duty and
he's on his duty. I only told him to calm down. My boyfriend is going to make a
you get that statement. Calm down till when? How is it my business that your boyfriend is not picking call?
I'm not here to hard to watch going on. Can you listen? I'm not here to hard to watch going on. But this work is per hours.
Yes.
If we delay him here now, he's supposed to have been making some, now. So and he has not settled with you. How you want to?
Nah, I'm here to pick a rider now. My rider is coming out.
Sorry?
Are you listening to my conversation?
Yes, I listen to you. How you want
Did I
to
give
sort?
you my boyfriend's number?
You can imagine that. Why is it my business that I should be calling your boyfriend? What are you saying now? Wait, let me analyze this our business for you. Let me analyze our business for you. This is how our business works. When I pick a rider pays me and comes down from my car. I'm never bothered if a boyfriend is not picking call, if someone is drunk. If you like, pay 15,000. It's never none of my business.
That's what I'm saying.
So how you want to sort him now?
Now, I ended your trip 10 o'clock. This is to 11. Yes, now. I waited for 30 minutes, good 30 minutes. I waited for 30 minutes before I took any action. I said, madam, when it's 10:20, I will end your trip. I ended the trip at 10:20. And I told her, madam, this is what your fare is. Okay, we keep on calling the boyfriend. He's not picking. Okay, now, I ended our trip and got another request. Madam, if your boyfriend is not picking, let me have something you can drop. When your boyfriend sends my money, you come and collect it. If you can't do that, then you pay me my money. That one you're saying that 2001.
What can you do to save this?
It's better you just save yourself off this mess. Because I will get your phone before you are going to leave my car. I will get your phone. I will take your.
And what is slay queens on her life? You know say you no get money. You no even enter Danfo. You no enter Sole. You no even enter Molue. You get time go carry boat. Boat where you know say the money go cost. Motor will be say if you enter 15, you no think. Now the one be say you know say it cost. Now you can't enter. And what did they even surprise? Now the English where this guy they even speak. Say I'm calling my boyfriend. Maybe I should give you his number. Now the driver vex. What it concern me? Make I call your number. Take do it. Make I call your boyfriend number. Take do it. What I won't call him for? Now you enter inside and a normal day if person enter all this kind of car, you know say normal you don't get the money for down. You pay for this kind of thing. But you as you know say you dey in Brooklyn, you will not even enter in the first place. You don't judge if na Okada, you enter am. Go meet this person as you reach your destination, you go collect the money from the person. This one now where you consider saying you be celebrity, you be video vixen. In fact, me I never see you rich. I don't even know you rich, I don't even know where you from celeb. So you can't turn to vixen. But I beg auntie all this one now one of the disgraced ladies. Because this one way you do na shame. And people say they react saying wetin make the driver go dey do video. I beg me some reason say okay, it no too make sense. Now because the guy don't wait. The guy talk say he don't drop this lady since 10 o'clock. 11 don't they go knack. Still this boy no gree pick phone. And I no go surprise okay maybe fine the guy phone don't low abi something don't happen. Now all this kind of time and I suppose you as a woman you suppose hold money wey they call vex money. In case say something go happen you hold this money for hand say okay I go fit pay this person. So I can't surprise say this girl, she don't even get anybody to call. Say, okay, I beg, are they in there? I need help. I need person to pay. She don't even reason all those kind of things. She can't sit down. In fact, they charge her phone inside the motor. In fact, this boat driver, they very nice. Because if now some people, they would even bundle her, come outside from the car. She even still get time, they charge phone. Say, you they call boyfriend. But she know say boyfriend, oh no, at least call another person. Now all these kind of things when they do, they wrong. And I'm going to claim right on top of mistake we be saying I don't do. You did there now sit down and no be na fashion wear, but what even wear all your this thing they show. You can't do this, they claim right, they form on top of something, you say it no even make sense. But I beg, next time, do the need for people will be saying that they come out, or at least small change put for hand. You no come hear all these kind of stories again. Just hold something small, even if you no get. And if you know say you no get at all, na ain't bad pass. Sit down inside your house, they no force you. Outside now to the worker, it is very expensive. So the best thing now, sit down inside your house. If na garri you want drink am. No be say you go there say you wan go pay somebody in kind. If you can't read there now, person no get money to give you, you go come turn to wahala. My people, I beg, I hear this story, I say make I bring am come, make na service na ear, hear wetin dey happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na no forget to write am inside the comment section. Make na no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. EFCC don't go pay early morning visit to some people for inside their hotel. I beg all these EFCC people, we dey now go change. And our own don't dey too much. They say that these people dey their hotel, it be like say they go give information to EFCC. Say it be like say some people suspected Yahoo boys they need to there. Before we go see them, these people just badge go enter inside this place. Go they invade into people privacy, say they won't arrest person. I beg who give now this information, and the thing they vex, they no go even do their investigation well. Person wey even just dey sleep, they fit just go there talk say you resemble Yahoo boy, they will just stay there pack everybody. In fact, the EFCC on our own don't too much. But the way they do this one, you know good. But I beg, make na follow me see. Now wow, I beg now so they're training now for the field. Now so they say make na they work because I don't even come understanding our work again. I don't know be na vigilante work, I be na researcher work na they do. Because now they always go find something where no loss. Something where no loss, now they na go they put no say on they find something. Now again, I no go even do on our research, find okay, this person where I won't go boss, I be this hotel where I won't go boss. Now sure say people they don't go reason all those ones. Now so they do. Go boss one Yoruba actress, she they sleep on her own. Now so they enter there, go break the place. Enter say they find person, last waiting happen. They say na wrong information. In which this woman, if say she dey naked, and last if they enter this place, now damage, they go just break your things. I beg if na one come out, wetin na one na sorry na go talk, I go pay for all these items. EFCC and I know they reason all these kind of things before they put in actions in place. And the place the government supposed to put in down. Because this EFCC, it be like say this SAS, it be like another version and they be. The same Agberu 1000 and they still be. No difference. But how be say person go just day? A whole hotel. You know even reason as okay, this place now organization, you go just enter. Go break in. Enter say they do something. And in fact, all these hotel people, it be like say secondary school managers now they get. Because how be say you go just enter person, your manager no fit defend you. You no fit do anything. What it can be the essence saying I get security and all those things for the place. And soon all this hotel business, it go begin cast. It go begin spoil because the thing don't do, especially for hotel. It be like say person and they give them the information, say go this hotel, now here your boys they live, I be something. Or maybe the person will be the manager, go, now they even call them say, okay, make now come here, this kind of thing they happen. But soon they're supposed to make this whole EFCC entering people's house illegal. They're supposed to make and say any EFCC will enter your place, may they arrest them. They're supposed to do that because for abroad, now they watch you involve him now. Before you go even batch enter person, you supposed to carry paper and things. Nigeria no be so. No be so, they go just enter, break your door. Like saying that they help you fix the door in the first place. Enter, say they follow you, they even do gra on top of your own property. In fact, our police, our security, I don't know the day will go change. I don't know where they need to sit down and take them back to training, go reorientate them, say, no be waiting they send them to do this. Because the kind of things where they do, it don't they provoke people. People don't they really vex about this EFCC. And sooner or later, now we hear say they won't do any EFCC, I mean NSAS, they go bring new one again. Because people don't they really vex. Now I make me they come outside and they talk, make on they calm down EFCC people. And people will be saying I go stay small money, I don't have money, I go stay for hotel. Make I watch out because now hotels now be their target too. I don't talk my own. My people I beg, I hear this story, I say make I bring and come, make na service na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, what I just hear now, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.